When you're searching for your next home, it's only natural to hope you can have it all. At 1105 Hollendale Way, you don't have to choose. Distinctive architecture, a remarkable setting, award-winning North Oldham Schools, and one of the neighborhood's largest home sites all come together here. Inside, natural stone, expansive windows, and a dramatic fireplace create a home with character that's anything but cookie cutter. The updated kitchen blends style and function with granite counters, custom two-tone cabinetry, double ovens, generous prep space, and beautiful views overlooking the backyard. 3 comfortable bedrooms and an updated full bathroom complete the main level, while in fresh interior paint and timeless finishes make the home feel move-in ready. Downstairs, the possibilities continue with a second family room, another stunning stone fireplace, a wet bar, full bathroom, 4th bedroom space, a bonus room, an office or craft nook, and abundant storage, giving you the flexibility to make this home truly your own. Step outside and you'll quickly understand why this backyard is such a standout. Beautiful homes are easy to find. A home that offers this much character, this much space, and this much lifestyle is something altogether different.